All right, so sometimes I forget how dark it actually is out here, and that the iPhone is not going to be able to videotape myself. And since I have the night camera and the other one set up to do astrophotography right now and time lapses, I didn't actually want to take them and actually use them to do this little intro. So right now, the first images out of there are not looking great. It looks like I have pretty much sky to sky clouds, but I kind of knew that was happening tonight. Um, what I'm hoping is going to happen is I looked at clear dark sky and it did indicate that there was about an hour and a half worth of clear sky, like a pocket, heading over. So it might be a giant sucker hole, but if I can get like just a little bit of clear sky with the Gemini meteor shower, then I'm going to get like a whole pile of meteors flying by because it's apparently a really big show. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it's going to clear up, and if it does, cue the music, and we'll see some amazing time lapses. Otherwise, this is going to be a really, really short video. Okay, so it was like crazy cloudy out there, like for most of the night, but there was a couple pockets of light, so I did go out there, and this is what I managed to get. Now, hold on here for a second. It's not the most impressive thing you've ever seen, but I did get a Gemini meteorite. So I think that's pretty cool. If you can get out the next day, probably about as good as you're going to get, and then it's going to sort of really taper off. But yeah, if it's clear skies where you are, look up, and hopefully you'll see a few more meteorites whizzing around up there.